trees and apologies that I'm wasting my time walking to the wrong journey. I didn't know it's what no entry, but I was thought mistaken that I'm going along to this road. Oh, this on the fence there. Oh, and then luckily the one of the men in army uniform also passing by, so I asked him, "Is this the correct road to MacRitchie Reservoir Park?" He says, "This is going to like a golf course. That's like going to golf course." And MacRitchie is heading over here to the right side. And now I just finished heading back here within some few kilometers there. Sorry for the wrong journey. So this is Julotong Tower. So I'm finding my way back in 4.5 kilometers. So the next thing is I'm heading here the right way instead of heading towards there. So the next thing is going here back in 4.5 kilometers. I hope I can make the right way. So there I can see is golf lane. So he doesn't care. So I'm heading back here. This is the right way. I predict because I see those tourists never pass by here lah. So I'm all alone. So now I guess it's this road that the man is pointing the right way. In those army navy uniform, they are professional in the road journey. So I'm heading back there to MacRitchie Reservoir Park. So I have to add another 10 minutes to reach back home there. No, I didn't reach back to MacRitchie Reservoir Park because I still have to take bus going home there. That's very late for lunch. But no choice. Just one day only to travel, to experience along the journey of MacRitchie Nature Trail. It is a very hard journey and bumpy and also a long journey as well as a time taken in hours. So next is the bridge. So you can see above a pond and the bridge. This means I covering there. So now you can see the bridge, a nice bridge traveling back here. But beware of the monkeys traveling. Oh, good. This road is more safer and there's no stones. Yeah, maybe I can run fast. But be careful lah. If something that's caused to even uneven, then I will able to trip down a bit. But only thing is to focus on the floor. Oh, good. And run through. I want to run that one already, but still think something. So I got no time to drink water. But I keep going lah, along and on. So this is a smooth journey, a smooth road. You can see that I'm pointing down. Yeah, it makes me running back. Oh, let's keep going. I'm running back through. I'm dashing. Oh, nice park. Nice everything. Something beautiful. Yes. Yeah, first time, but enjoy a beautiful scenery. Whoa, it's the beginning of life, beginning of future. Yes. So driving back throughout. Yeah, I'm breathing. Yeah. 8 kilometers through. Yeah. How you can see more people can. But hopefully, I pray to God that I will reach home. Reach to find a way back home. Yes. After I finish this bridge journey, I'm already reaching back here already. Just now, the first road was a mistake. A mistake that I'm walking along the no entry sign. But this only for these Navy soldiers. I didn't know lots of Navy soldiers passing by. But all in army uniform. They are going for camping too. So they head to golf course or from the golf course. But this smooth journey is going back here to MacRitchie. All these are nice bridge, a new century, a new scenery, and a new journey. Oh, I don't waste my breath here, but I still have to speak through until I reach there to MacRitchie Reservoir Park. Nobody's walking past behind me, you can see that, and also nobody's in front of me. All I'm alone and isolated and sweating off. Yeah, and now I'm walking very even because of this bridge, so smooth. So probably about 3 kilometers, 2 or 3 kilometers, and you can see this golf park there. Very beautiful. Okay, it's going to the end of this bridge journey, so I go down to back to those bumpy roads. Yes, back to this kind of roads, kind of road journey lah. Sandy one, feeling sandy. It's like hiking through. I'm hiking over 10 kilometers as a record for hours without eating lunch. But I hope you will burn calories and fats. Hopefully, and you can see these two people. Wow, they enjoy their. Oh, this guy's sandy here. Oh, hope I can reach. I feel it's gonna reach already. Less than a kilometer. Yeah. Oh my. It's a Komodo dragon. Yes. Because I was afraid that it would scare the Komodo dragon away. Yeah. Komodo dragons are commonly found everywhere. Yes. I'm reaching. Yes, I'm making to the right way. This is the right reservoir. Finally, I'm making right there, but there it says no fishing. This is the way back and there. Oh yes, see all those gates, closing gates. It's going to the golf. So probably 2 kilometers, 1.5 to 2 kilometers. So I'm heading back there. I think that's 5 minutes to exit the MacRitchie Nature Trail. I want to exit soon. Exit the MacRitchie Nature Trail. Yeah, I also cannot pronounce. I pronounce a bit like too uneven now. So I'm exiting MacRitchie Nature Trail in just less than 5 minutes. Because all you can see is like the road is very close, narrow, Then back to this greenery of these bumpy things. Yeah, and it's very narrow. Yeah, slowly and slowly going to be cooled down soon. Oh man, it's an hot here and humid. Hopefully I can lose weight. I won't gain any more weight. And it's very hotter like this. Nice sceneries all on seasides. See, everything nice pond, everything beautiful. Oh, yes. All that as I'm in here. And to the end is a golf area. Yes. Now back to Tunnel Hall. Oh, back to this journey. Yes. I'm gonna exit soon. It takes a bit dark here, but I hope my journey ends here soon. So I'm going out. Oh, am I way out? No, I never went out. Still back in again. It's not the end. So that's a sign there. What does it say? Oh, kind of more waterfall. All this water reserve lah. Yeah lah. I'm going back. Oh man, how many hours already covered? 3 hours to finish this journey. But I never record the whole thing because it will waste all my battery. Now I'm still in charging mode in the power bank. Luckily I bring the power bank and the battery is full. Good. This is the roadway back. I hope it will be ending soon. See you on my footsteps. I'm walking back to this out to the MacRitchie Nature Trail. Voila. I'm come to the finishing journey soon. Oh yes, I've made it. Oh, you can see all the park, all the golf carts. Oh yes, yeah, I got it back to the MacRitchie Reservoir Park. So how to get to this original the main entrance there? I'll show you the way. So I finished walking, covering the whole journey. I think almost the whole journey of MacRitchie Nature Trail. So I've done it like that. So I want to find where is the main entrance of the MacRitchie Reservoir Park. I show you the way. So I'm still figuring out how to get there. But first thing is I have to U-turn there. U-turn along this buggy only. They say it's buggy only. But I think the MacRitchie Nature Trails, I think is I'm heading that lah. I walking through lah. I walking straight here, back ahead. It's a long journey, but I don't know how long is the journey. If it's a waterfall, and how to get back there. It's not simple. I guess it's going covered there, covering it soon. But wait, I have to figure out the road yet. Figure out the way. And still private property, please do not enter. And then I feel, oh, yes, golf journey here. Oh, okay. This, I guess, it is road. This road journey. I believe this road may reach my place, reach out of the MacRitchie Nature Trail. I mean MacRitchie Reservoir Park. MacRitchie Nature Trail I've already covered, so now it's MacRitchie Reservoir Park. How long I'll check that. Managed to take time here. I see. Taking a break here. Hiking along journey. You can see the flats. You can see all those flats. But I don't know where the road is. Yes, it's a Pierce Reservoir, either Upper Pierce or MacRitchie Reservoir. It's a survivor. I feel like I'm a survivor. Yeah. There's only one road that I can travel back here. This way. Oh, these are golf carts. But super huge, super large. I think it can help me to find a way to travel back home. So, this is it. This is it. I'm in another island, another country, but not really, just part of Singapore. This is going back to MacRitchie Reservoir Park. Is it going back to MacRitchie Reservoir Park?
Yes,
yeah.
Just go
in front now. Okay. Oh yeah, long journey. It's going to be there. It's very long. I guess I trust this guy. So yeah, hope I can find a way back to exit MacRitchie Reservoir Park. So this is the next stage now. Yes, you can see the huts there and travel there. I'm going to reach there in 5 minutes, 5-10 minutes. Yes. Hopefully. It's about 18 minutes, 19 minutes. Going to be 20 minutes of journey. Shit. Back to this road. Again, small narrow road. This is the way to exit soon. So I guess I should make it soon. Oh, you can see those waterfall. Yes. I hope never fall. I'm going to the end. So, and now I'm going down the slope again. MacRitchie Reservoir. Now nobody's fishing here because of the sun. This is not fish here. And now it's more water. Everything. Nice clear water. I'm walking out there. Shit, hot, very, very hot. I think Piran will get something. Let's take a break here. I don't know not to talk. Yes, I this trying. Back to bumpy road again, but not, it's only a sandy road. Yeah. Now 21 minutes plus. Let's see how to get back there. Still okay. Oh, and then how long is this road? Oh no, not again. Again, back to this nature trail. I thought I have just finished the MacRitchie Nature Trail, but it's another trail going back to MacRitchie Reservoir. Something strange. Oh man. I try to figure out how to exit this again. Oh my gosh. I have to go again, 7 kilometers. Oh no, 7 kilometers. Alamak. Ah shit. Yes, it's previously actually long. I drink water first. Tired. Oh man, how to go back there? Alamak. Hey, shit. I run a long journey. Sucks. I'm going back there. Silently for that. Stopping here. To be continued for another journey. I hope I can get back out soon. Somebody's calling me. I hope my journey continues. Take care.